A well-formatted script uses a special kind of font size, spacing, and alignment to put things where they are supposed to be. Dialogue, character name, transitions, even your scene heading should be placed in their proper places. Font/font size. It doesn't matter what your favorite font may be. When it comes to screenwriting, the accepted font for formatting a screenplay is Courier. The font size is 12 points. The reason is because being consistent with font and font size makes it easier to establish an estimated screen time using the number of pages. Don't use a bigger font size because you want to fill up your pages and make your screenplay appear longer than it actually is. You will be buying your screenplay a one-way ticket to Trashville. By that, I mean you won't fool a reader with that trick. If your screenplay is 60 pages, don't try to use big fonts to make it 90 pages because that's what your client wants. If your screenplay is 130 pages, don't try to use small font size to reduce it to 120 pages. Margins and spacing. Margins and spacing also contribute to the page count and help in the estimation of screen time. It's important to get them right, especially if you are using a software that doesn't add them automatically. Left hand margin 1.5 inches. Right hand margin, top and bottom 1 inch. Lines per page 55. Character names, all caps, starts 3.7 inches from the left hand side of the page. Dialogue lines starts 2.5 inches from the left hand side of the page. Single spaced lines for action and description. Double spaced between scene headings, action, and dialogue. Page length for a featured script is usually between 90 and 120 pages. One page is roughly 1 minute screen time. Page numbers. Pages should be numbered in the top right corner, 0.5 inches below the top of the page, starting from page 2. Title pages are not numbered. If you are using a screenwriting software, it will take care of these formatting automatically for you. Find a free one and use it. It will make your job easier. Trelby is free. Celltext, if you can get the app, is free. Also, although they have moved their business online, they are no longer working on the app. So be careful. Using Celltext can be tricky. Don't lose your work. There are other ones too. Look for them and use the free version until you can afford the paid version. Speaking of losing your work, if you are using Final Draft, always make sure the backup box is checked. That way, if your file corrupts for whatever reason, you can open another one from the backup folder. You can find the backup folder under Tools, Options.